Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we'll be making instant coconut ladoos that can be made in just under 10 minutes. The ingredients are very simple for this. I've used just 5 ingredients to make this delicious instant coconut laddu recipe. For this I've used 2.5 cups of desiccated coconut, cardamom powder. I've used 4 to 5 green cardamoms and ground with 1 teaspoon of sugar, ghee about 1.5 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of rose syrup and 3/4 cup of condensed milk or MILKMAID. To make this cardamom powder, you can take 4 to 5 pods of green cardamom and grind it with 1 teaspoon of sugar. To begin this recipe, let's take a non-stick pan and add the ghee to it and melt it. Let's add in all the ghee. Make sure you make this on a low flame and add the desiccated coconut to it. Let's toast this till it becomes really aromatic and it gets a little brown. This is the most simplest instant coconut laddu recipe that you can make, and you can make it in just under 10 minutes. It's that simple. You can stop at this point. This is the ideal point to stop, but my kids like it really toasted, so I've roasted it for a bit longer before adding in the condensed milk. Mix it really well. As soon as you add the condensed milk, it gets absorbed and it gets cooked really well. You just need to cook it for about 2 minutes and it's done. Add in the cardamom powder and the rose syrup. If you want pink color, then you can add the rose syrup. Otherwise, you can add any coloring, food coloring of your choice, and you can add rose essence to it. You can make any colors like blue, green, yellow, pink, or you can have them of different colors. You can separate the mixture and add different colors to it. Mix it well till the color gets incorporated really well into this mixture. As you can see, it's so simple and easy to make it. You're just breaking it down and mixing it well, and the laddu mixture is ready. It has to just get a bit crumbly like this. If it is not, you can add in some more condensed milk to it. Make laddus out of this mixture and roll it in some desiccated coconut powder. And the laddus are ready to serve. They are really warm. They are eaten best when they are warm and moist, and they taste absolutely delicious. You just cannot stop eating one of these. I hope you like this simple and easy recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you still have not, and do let me know in the comments section if you like these simple and easy coconut laddus.